Good morning, Tantra people. I'm here from Naramata, BC today in the middle of a labyrinth. Let's see if I can show you. I'm traveling, doing this tour across BC with a good friend who is supporting me in the Tantra speed dating and the Tantra 101. And she's teaching me a lot. We had a conversation yesterday that sparked an inspiration on how to see people as I walk through my day. So I want to share that. Another way to see everyone that you meet today as you're walking through the day. And to start with, I want you to think about the way that you see the different parts of your body. One day, and maybe your toe's hurting a little bit and it's a bit grumpy. Or your voice has that certain crackle, that certain frog in your throat that happens in the morning. And all these different parts of your body have their own sort of personality in a way. And what if we saw every single human, every single family member, partner, every cashier, every person in the car in front of you in traffic as a part of your own self? If we're one giant ecosystem, one body, and each person's a part of that, how would that change? So imagine right now that you could zoom out your perspective and think of yourself as this huge organism of the universe. And suddenly, that person who's completely opposite to me, who I don't understand, why are they like that? It's just another part of me, my friend right now. I like to open the windows in the morning when we get up. She likes to keep them closed for warmth. I feel like I'm going to suffocate if I don't get air. But another part of me, her, feels very cold if the door is open. And that makes me curious, and that makes me wonder. And every person suddenly becomes more interesting. Those people who have a different tradition that they follow. That's just another part of me figuring myself out. So try looking at people that way today and see if it changes anything. See if you can feel the curiosity in each person today. That's my thought from the labyrinth. Wishing you a beautiful day. I'll see you soon. If you're in Kelowna, I will see you on this Saturday for Tantra 101. And if you're in Vancouver, I will see you on the 28th for Tantra 101. And speed dating is just a couple days before that. You can find out more on the Shamaya Tantra website. All right. Hi, Roger. Good to see you. I hope you have a spectacular day. Bye.